So this is a quick film to show you how to set up a very basic quiz in Socrative. Type it into Google and you can see that it's got a URL called Socrative, socrative.com. Click on that and you can see at a stroke you've got a student login and a teacher login. If you're going to create a quiz, you're going to need to go in as a teacher, so you'll need to set up a teacher login account. You can do that here. I'll click that. I've already got it set up with my username and password installed, and I can go straight into quizzes. And here's an option that says create a quiz. We can also import a quiz from somewhere else, a record of the quizzes, and also a record of the responses of previously set quizzes. So we'll start with create a quiz. Give your name to a quiz. Call it Socrative, and then you can either have multiple choice, true or false, or short answer questions. Let's do a true or false question. It's a good idea to work out in advance what the questions you're going to ask are. Here's one. It's a bit slow. Try it again. That's better. Socrative is free to use. Well, that's a true answer. Click that and you save it, and there's the first question. Socrative is free to use, true or false, and it knows that the correct answer is true. Let's try a second question. You can see it's a second question because #2 means it's the second question. Socrative only allows multiple choice questions. Now we know that's a false option, so we'll choose false there and click save. So now we have 2 questions in, and then we'll just have one more for luck. True or false? Students like Socrative. Now on the whole they do, so I'll click true. Students don't like using ICT. You must always be mindful of that, but for now we'll just have it as a straightforward true or false, and then save and exit, and there's the quiz. If we go to quiz, you can see that there my quiz is there, so I can click on that and it then gives me a number of different options: disabled names, randomized question order, and so on and so forth. When I want to start this quiz, I just choose start, and you can have it either as a teacher paced session where you control when the questions are done, student paced session when they go as quickly as they can, or student paced student navigation. That's where you've got branching questions and students can track their own journey through it. But for now we'll do student paced. Click start and the whole thing begins. Students log into the quiz using the teacher room code that was on the front screen. So if I click start now, you can see that that's the teacher code, and that's where they would have to type in socrative.com student enter access and then put that code in.